We're here today at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. I've got a 2018 Ram 2500 Limited Edition. This is a special truck. Got it in bright silver color. The Limited Edition gives you the satin grille with the Ram emblem on the front. I've got front park assist, high intensity headlamps, trailer tow hooks on it. This has got the Cummins turbo diesel in it, which is a 6.7 and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Got 20-inch times 8 satin carbon silver inserts, body color door handles, body color tailgate nameplate, tungsten side molding. Does have the fixed running boards on it. Proximity entrance, as far as you just need to have your key fob within proximity to lock and unlock the car. Trailer tow mirrors, they are power. We've got the Ram boxes on this. I'll go over that here in a minute as we walk around the truck. We've got the trailer tow package on it, rear park assist and rear backup camera. You have a 7 and a 4-pin wiring connection already installed in this truck. Taking a look at the inside, does have the leather seating with memory seats, lumbar control, power trailer tow mirrors. I'm sorry, these are just regular mirrors on this one. They do fold in and out automatically and back out. Power windows and locks. You've got a control to bring your brake pedal and gas pedal out. So you've got adjustable pedals, a fixed center console, nice chrome Ram step in to protect your when you step into the vehicle. Rear seats are leather. They're also heated. Of course, the Rams do have the storage boxes in the back, one on each side. You can store stuff there. There is storage under the seat. Center console folds down to give you cup holders there. With these step bars, it's very easy to step up in. As you can see, the Limited Edition is a little bit different. It's got a saddlebag type storage area behind each seat. The 8.4 touchscreen radio gives you information on the vehicle, as well as all of your settings that you have. I do have a trailer brake control on this. Like I said, heated front seats, ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, diesel exhaust brake, cruise control, push button start. Got the electronic 4-wheel drive system for 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive low, and a neutral position. This could be towed behind a motorhome. Power sliding rear window. All nicely stitched leather. Dual glove boxes. Your center stack there in front of the steering wheel would give you information also as far as your oil temperature, different things to do with the running of the vehicle. I did mention that we have the Ram box cargo management system on this. You got 2 boxes, one on each side that you can. Let me open this up. It's called the Ram box. Got storage area, got lights in it. They do lock with the key fob. We did put the bed liner in this, and this little piece in the back is part of your cargo management. It'll extend your tailgate, do a little bit more things on that. Does have the LED lights in the back. Very good looking truck here. Once again, this is a 2018 Limited Crew Cab 4x4 with the Cummins diesel. Stock number on this is 28447T, located here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. For more information on this truck or other trucks that we have, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.